Let's make some Paleo Chicken Pad Thai. The first thing you're going to do is make the sauce. Add coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, lime juice, fish sauce, maple syrup, and a little bit of coconut milk and some cashew butter to a bowl. We're also going to add in some toasted sesame oil, lastly, we'll add in some grated ginger and some grated garlic. Using a whisk, let's mix everything until it's thoroughly combined. Let's grease a large skillet with some oil and then add in some chopped chicken. We'll season it with some salt and some pepper and allow to brown. Stirring occasionally every couple minutes, make sure to evenly brown the chicken and make sure it's cooked through. Next, we'll add in some carrots, some broccoli, red bell pepper, and red cabbage. Cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes until everything is softened. While the chicken and the vegetables are cooking, go ahead and make your pasta. I am using Jovial Foods grain-free spaghetti, but you can use rice noodles or any other sort of pasta that you prefer. Once the pasta is cooked, drain and add to the chicken and veggies, and then pour over the pad thai sauce. Toss it and mix to combine. Right before serving, sprinkle with some sesame seeds, chopped cashews, and chopped scallions, and enjoy!